Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's review, I wanted to bring you a couple of my favorite tech stocks and the caveats that go around trading them in their current stance. So the first thing we're going to look at is NVIDIA, and there is definitely a degree of caution that is warranted in all of these, because when you look at something like a previous major swing high against the swing low, and you see where the 1618 of that move terminates with a fair degree of precision, we have to acknowledge that there are sellers there, and that is the current resistance. But as we have come in off of that resistance, you'll notice that a 2-day squeeze has started to form. So the squeeze is usually used against the mean, the 21 EMA, for whatever time frame you're trading. That would use the thought process that says this is a signal that we want to buy, and we would like to pay $439 for it, whatever that mean price is. You know, if NVIDIA got all the way down to $439, that would be a significant correction. But at this perspective, that would be a good spot to buy it. And I think it's a name that has potential, especially, if you can do it in a short premium way. I think that might make good sense. Then I'm going to come over and look at Google, right? So here we look at Google off of the 2-day. You can see the squeeze that fires and the 21 EMA that offers a bid. Okay, that same 2-day perspective and quick review tries to help back what we now have on the daily, because it's more of, a bid at the 21 EMA and a fresh squeeze in a name that has shown some relative strength. So I believe those are a couple of the better picks out there. And then the question of, is anything in relation to buying tech actually going to work? Well, keeping an eye on the 10-year yield is where I'm watching for clues here. If we see that this 10-year yield just continues to rip up into fresh highs, well, then I'm not going to want to buy anything, especially not tech. But if the highs that you saw back here in October, if those can continue to offer the inflection that they have, you see the pause there, just last week. So if you start coming in more from those, maybe we revisit the mean or even a little bit deeper down, I think that next trade in tech could be beneficial. But at the very least, watch that for clues, and hopefully that'll help us with this next round of squeezes. So I hope you found the video review helpful. Have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.